Looking for the best shaker bottles? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 shaker bottles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, Blender Bottle, Classic Shaker Bottle, 28 ounces. This blender style is available in multiple colors. Includes a high-quality metal blender bowl to help you mix your shakes properly. Includes fully dishwasher-safe materials. Has a large capacity of 28 ounces. Inexpensive option that includes all of the basic features you'll need to create your own protein shakes. Some may leak while shaking. Like most 28-ounce models, can only fill to 20 ounces to leave room for mixing. At number 2. BluePeak, Protein Shaker Bottle. Comes with a ball and mixing grid that work together to provide a smooth consistency for your shakes. Has a generous 28-ounce capacity. Fits in most cup holders. Leak and spill proof. Dishwasher safe. Available in packs of 1, 2, or 3. Highly rated design with a dual mixing technology that ensures you get lump-free shakes. The cap doesn't lay flat when opened, which makes it a bit difficult to drink from. At number 1. Blender Bottle, Superhero Shaker Bottle, 28 ounces. Large capacity of up to 28 ounces. Includes a metal blender ball that will help you mix the drink more thoroughly. Multiple superhero logos available make this fun to use. Materials are all dishwasher safe. Plenty of nice features to create your drink, all in a cup that features a fun superhero logo. You'll pay a little more for this than one without a fun logo. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.